Hey guys, Don here at Trotec Laser Canada. Today we're going to show you how to make some flashy Christmas necklaces using our new TroGlass Glitter. We used a couple different techniques. Let's start off telling you about this one right here. We started by putting our TroGlass Glitter in our Speedy 360 and proceeded to cut and engrave our design. Next we're going to show you how we did an acrylic inlay on this one right here. This design is cut from two different colors of TroGlass Glitter, with the pink letters being inlaid into the blue medallion. The chain is then linked the same as the first chain and attached to the medallion. TroGlass Glitter is a cast acrylic that is mixed with glitter particles. It is offered in a variety of colors, and the material is color stable with no bleaching or fading. It comes in 6 great colors: a silver, a gold, a dark red, a pink, a black, and a blue. The sheet size is 40 by 24, and it comes at a thickness of 1/8. It's ideal for sales displays, novelties, and even more creative projects like jewelry, ornaments, celebration cards, and cake and cupcake toppers. Next, we're going to show you some engraving and a kiss cut for a multi-layer acrylic technique. This design also uses 2 colors. The body of the medallion is first engraved and kiss cut from our red TroGlass Glitter. Once the letters have been cut from the gold, we remove the 3M adhesive on the back and use the outline from the kiss cut to know exactly where to place them. Similar to all the others, we link together the chain and attach it to the medallion. This last one is my personal favorite. It uses engraving, a kiss cut for a multi-layered acrylic technique, and then heating for a 3D effect. For this final necklace, we engrave and kiss cut on our silver, and then cut our letters from the gold. Again, we take the adhesive off of our gold letters and use our kiss cuts to know exactly where to place them on our silver. After 30 seconds on the acrylic heat bender, the design can be bent to the exact angle for our desired 3D effect. The design is then cooled to ensure that the effect is permanent. Thanks again for watching, you guys. If you have any ideas for us, especially for glitter applications, be sure to leave them down in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe, and since this is our last video for the year, we just want to wish you and yours a happy holidays from everybody here at Trotec Laser Canada. Take care.